Emma, good morning. You arrived right on time.
Good morning, Tom. Yes, I arrived on time, but isn't it very early?
It's 6:30 in the morning.
Why are we going to run this early?
A morning jog is best at this time. The air is fresh and the park is empty.
You're right, but it's very cold today.
Cold weather makes running feel more energetic. It's a good thing.
How many kilometers are we going to run today?
My plan is 5 kilometers. What do you think?
5 kilometers. That's too much for me.
We'll go slowly. Let's not rush. We'll finish it together.
Okay, but let's warm up first.
Of course, let's begin.
Are there any other runners in the park?
There usually aren't many people at this time. Today, it's just us.
Great. It'll be more comfortable.
Emma, which shoes are you wearing?
I'm wearing my new running shoes.
Nice. Running shoes are very important.
Why?
If you run with the wrong shoes, your knees hurt. Your back hurts too.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, running shoes are specially made for the soles of your feet.
That's why I bought these. The salesperson explained it to me.
You did the right thing. Do you have your water bottle?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Drinking water while running is very important.
I know. I'm ready now.
I'm ready too. Let's start warming up.
How many minutes will we warm up?
5 minutes is enough. Then we'll start running. First, let's do some leg stretches.
Okay, like this?
Yes, hold it for 30 seconds and breathe.
My legs feel a little tight.
That's normal. Muscles are stiff after sleep.
How long will we warm up?
5 minutes is enough.
Arms too?
Yes. We'll start after stretching our arms too.
Neck too?
Yes. Turn it slowly, like this.
Okay, what will we do last?
Let's jog in place. 30 seconds.
I feel better now.
Good, now you're ready.
Warming up really makes a difference.
Absolutely. Running without a good warm-up carries a risk of injury. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Where are we going?
First, we'll go around the park, then we'll pass by the lake path.
How many kilometers is the lake path?
1 lap is 2.5 kilometers. 2 laps are 5 kilometers. Our plan is to run 5 kilometers.
Got it. Let's begin.
We're starting slowly. There's no need to increase the pace.
Okay, I'll go at the same speed as you.
Good. And as long as you can talk, the speed is right.
What do you mean?
If you can't talk, it means you're going too fast.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Let's begin. Slow and calm.
I'm taking the first steps. It feels good.
Yes, every run starts like this.
Wow. The park is so beautiful at this time.
I told you, morning is the best time.
The trees still look foggy,
Yes, morning mist. It's a beautiful view.
and it's so quiet. There's almost no one here.
That's why I come early. Just nature and me.
I understand. It's so peaceful.
And the air is very clean. It's hard to find air like this in the city.
You're right. I want to take a deep breath,
Do it. Deep breathing is great while running.
but my nose is getting cold.
That's normal. You'll get used to it in a few minutes.
Okay, let's keep going.
You have a good rhythm. You don't look like you're struggling at all.
Really? Thank you. I feel a little more confident now.
Emma, how's your pace?
Good. But is it a little fast?
No, this pace is very good. Keep going.
My breathing is a little uneven.
That's normal at the beginning. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth.
Like this?
Yes. Breathe rhythmically. In for 3 steps, out for 3 steps.
Okay, let me try. 1, 2, 3, in, 1, 2, 3, out.
Perfect. Exactly like that.
That really helped.
Breathing rhythm is very important in running.
I didn't know that. Thank you.
Let's speed up a little.
Okay, but not too much.
Promise, we'll stay at a speed where you can still talk.
Tom, look. There are birds over there.
Morning sparrows. They're there every morning.
They're so cute. They're flying from tree to tree.
This park is beautiful. It's different in every season.
Which season do you like the most?
Spring. The flowers bloom. The colors are beautiful.
I like autumn. The leaves turn yellow.
Yes, that's beautiful too.
Is the lake close?
Yes. 2 more minutes. You'll see it when we turn the corner.
I'm very curious.
It looks amazing in the morning mist. Be ready.
I can't wait. Let's keep going.
Look at the reflection on the lake. The trees look like they're in the water.
Wow, it's really beautiful. Tom, do you run with music?
Sometimes. Do you?
I sometimes run with music too.
Nice. Music can sometimes make you feel very isolated,
True. You don't notice your surroundings.
and it's dangerous. You may not hear a bicycle or a car.
You're right. I never thought about that.
What kind of music do you run with?
Fast music. The pace goes up by itself.
But this morning, the sound of nature is better.
Yes, the birds, the wind. It's so peaceful.
And no phone is ringing. It's very relaxing.
Yes. Away from technology, it feels good.
Emma, shall we slow down a little?
Yes, please. I'm out of breath.
No problem. The first 2 kilometers are behind us.
Really? Did we run 2 kilometers?
Yes, you didn't notice, did you?
No, I'm very surprised.
Time passes very quickly when you talk.
And the view of the park was beautiful.
Let's walk a little now. Then we'll run again.
How long will we walk?
2 minutes. Your breathing will settle down.
My legs will rest too then.
Yes, a walking break is very important.
Is 2 minutes too short?
No, a short rest is enough. Stopping too long kills motivation.
You're doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone, I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. A quick English tip before we continue. Tom said, slow down. This means to go at a lower speed. It's very common when talking about running, driving, walking, or even speaking. Examples. Please slow down, you're walking too fast. Can you slow down a little? I can't understand you. Slow down before the turn. Now, for today's video question. How should we run uphill? Tom gives Emma several useful tips later in the story. Listen carefully and try to remember them. Can you catch all the tips? Write your answer in the comments when you hear it. Even a short answer in English is great practice. Ready? Let's continue.
Drink some water.
Yes, you said that at the perfect time. I'm very thirsty.
When running, you need to drink water every 15 to 20 minutes.
That often?
Yes, the body loses a lot of water.
Do you think the water I brought is enough?
Half a liter?
Yes.
That's enough for 5 kilometers.
Good. How much do you drink?
I usually bring 1 liter.
I wonder if I can do a long run one day.
Of course, you'll do it with time. Everyone started like this.
Did you start like this too?
Yes, on my first run, I could only do 1 kilometer. Are you ready? Let's run again.
Yes. My breathing is better now.
Great. Shall we go a little faster this time?
Okay, a little faster.
Still at a speed where you can talk. Don't overdo it.
Got it. Let's go.
Nice pace. Keep going like that.
My legs are getting a little heavy.
That's normal. The third kilometer is the hardest.
Why?
The body starts to struggle, but it passes.
Does it really pass?
Yes, in the fourth kilometer, your energy usually comes back.
I hope so. I'm keeping going.
You feel your legs, but you're not stopping. That's very important.
You're right. Keeping going feels better.
Emma, careful. There's a little hill.
Oh, is it long?
It's short but steep.
What should I do?
Shorten your steps. Go more slowly. But don't stop.
Why shouldn't I stop?
If you stop on a hill, starting again becomes very hard.
Got it. I'll keep going.
Use your arms. If you swing them, you'll climb more easily.
Like this.
Yes, exactly like that.
That really helped.
Almost at the top. 2 more steps.
Okay. Okay. I made it up.
Yes, you did it. You did great.
Running uphill is much harder than running on flat ground.
Yes, but it's a very good exercise for the heart.
Tom, can I tell you something?
Tell me,
I have a secret goal for the next run.
what is it?
I want to run 5 kilometers without stopping.
Really? That's a big goal.
I know.
Great, I'll help you.
I didn't want to say it. I was afraid I'd be embarrassed if I couldn't do it.
There's no need to be embarrassed. Even trying is great.
Thank you, Tom.
I think you can do it. Come on, keep going. Look, there's the lake.
Wow, it's so beautiful. You can almost not see it in the mist.
I told you. Morning mist is very special.
The water is so still, like a mirror.
Yes, that's what happens when there is no wind.
There are ducks too. Look.
They're there every morning. I gave them names.
Really? What names?
The big one's name is Bob.
That's so funny.
I say hello to him every morning.
What a lovely habit.
Come on, smile, but don't let the pace drop.
Okay, okay. I'm keeping going.
Do you want to do one more lap by the lake?
5 kilometers is enough for today, but next time, Tom, I'm very tired.
I know, 4th kilometer.
Is there still 1 kilometer left?
Yes, but you can do it.
Are you sure? My legs are burning.
That's normal. Acid builds up in the muscles. It happens when you run. It'll pass.
When will it pass?
In a few minutes. In the 5th kilometer, the second wind comes.
What's the second wind?
Energy suddenly comes back. Runners know this very well.
I hope it comes to me too.
It will. Keep going. I'm right beside you.
Okay, I'm not giving up.
Every step brings you closer to your goal.
I know. I'm keeping going.
Emma, how are you?
Good, I think. The energy came back.
See? The second wind came.
Unbelievable. Just a moment ago, I wanted to stop.
It's always like this. It comes right after the hardest moment.
How much is left?
Half a kilometer?
Only half?
Yes. You're about to finish.
Tom, will I be able to do it?
You've already done it. You just need to finish.
I will not stop.
Well done. Come on, let's speed up a little.
Let's go. I can do it.
Yes, you can. The final turn is in sight.
I see it. I'm speeding up.
The last 100 meters. Sprint time.
Sprint? You're joking, right?
Just a little faster. You have the strength.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, like that. Speed up.
This fast?
More. Last chance.
Okay, okay.
The finish line is there. Look.
I see it. Come on.
Come on, Emma. Come on.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Done.
Bravo. Well done, Emma. 5 kilometers.
I'm out of breath. But I did it.
Stop. Don't stop suddenly. Walk slowly.
Okay, okay. Oh, this feeling is amazing. Tom, I did it.
Yes, 5 kilometers.
I can't believe it. Did I really do that?
You did it, no one else.
I'm so happy.
I can tell. Your eyes are shining.
I feel like I'm going to cry.
I understand the feeling. It's a beautiful feeling.
I've never felt like this before.
This feeling makes runners addicted.
Now I understand why you run every morning.
Yes, you can't buy this feeling with money.
Next time, I'll run longer.
Slowly, slowly. Today's success is very big.
Can I come tomorrow too?
Yes, but let tomorrow be a rest day. Take one day off. Now let's do cool down exercises.
Is that necessary? I'm very tired.
Very necessary. If you stop suddenly, your muscles get stiff.
Okay, what will we do?
First, we'll walk slowly. 5 minutes.
Okay,
Then leg stretches.
we just did those.
You need them again after running. The muscles have warmed up.
Makes sense.
And deep breathing exercises.
Should I breathe in through my nose?
Yes, breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly.
Thank you, Tom. I learned a lot today.
You did very well too. Emma, how about breakfast?
Great idea. I'm very hungry.
A good breakfast after a run is very important.
What should we eat?
Protein. Eggs are very good, and fruit.
I have eggs at home.
Can I come and make them too?
Of course, I'd be very happy.
And coffee too.
Yes, I really wanted that.
Coffee tastes great after a run.
Let's go. I can't wait any longer.
Will you come next morning too?
Every morning. I can't give it up now.
That's the feeling. Welcome to the Runners Club.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words. Before we finish, let's quickly review 3 useful words from today's story. First word, pace. Pace means the speed of your running or walking. Tom often talks about running at a comfortable pace. If you can still talk while running, your pace is probably good. Second word, uphill. Uphill means going up a hill. Running uphill is more difficult because your body works harder. Emma found the uphill section challenging, but she finished it successfully. Third word, sprint. A sprint is a very short run at a fast speed. At the end of the run, Tom encouraged Emma to do a final sprint to the finish line. Now let's come back to today's question. How should we run uphill? Did you find the answer? Tom gave several tips. Take shorter steps. Slow down a little. Keep moving and don't stop. Use your arms to help you climb. Did you catch all 4 tips? Write your answer in the comments. I read every one. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with another easy English story.